The Walk-Through Metal Detector's advanced security screening detects guns, knives, and razor blades at government buildings, concerts, and schools. The Walk-Through Metal Detector has 3 sensor zones that provide head-to-toe detection. Individual LED indicators on the control panel light up to pinpoint the location of a detected object. The user-friendly control panel adjustable sensitivity lets you fine-tune for different environments, picking up metal as small as a bobby pin. Please see our video on how to adjust the sensitivity on walk-through metal detectors for more information on adjusting sensitivity levels. The walk-through metal detector is wireless and operates up to 40 hours on rechargeable 12-volt batteries. It has a carry strap and 2 wheels, making it portable and easy to use for temporary event venues. The walk-through metal detector enables quick and easy assembly without tools. Please see our How to Set Up the Walk-Through Metal Detector video for more information. Be sure to shop now, watch more, and subscribe.